Hi bestie, welcome back to my channel. If you love minimalist planning, intentional routines, you're in the right place because today I'm going to share with you the cloth and paper December intention subscription box. And I'm just going to walk through what's inside the box and give you my opinion. So grab your favorite drink, get comfortable, and let's go ahead and get into it. So bestie, let me know in the comments, did you order the December 2025 intention box of cloth and paper? And then also, let me know, is there anything that you saw on social media that they shared with us that stood out the most that you really, really wanted out of this box? So I always get the CP petite size in the planner, and my monthly subscription is like $59 per month. I've been a subscriber. I think I've been a subscriber since 9 years now for cloth and paper. So I absolutely love cloth and paper. But I'm still will give you my honest opinion about the product. Okay, so let's first get this card here, and it says closure. This year, this is what we've been receiving, like a Polaroid card. Alright, so this is the February planner card here in the Vellum. I did see when we got the previous month, people was not happy about that particular card, but I like it. Alright, so we did get the stickers. So I did end up seeing these stickers on social media. So let me get this open, but this is the Semicircle stickers, and on the back where it has the detail of how to utilize them, it does says it's 216 stickers, and we got 4 sheets. Alright, let's get to the next item and see what we got. And I'm trying to decide where I want to place these items. So I'll leave it on the desk or the box. I'm just going to place those in the box. Okay, so I did end up seeing this. This is the foldable sticky notes. And when I saw this on Instagram, it reminded me of how some of the planner shops that sell stickers, some of them make foldable stickers. And this is what this reminded me of. And this is my first time actually seeing the folded sticky notes. It might exist in the community, but this is my first time actually receiving foldable sticky notes from a company. So I definitely use this because I like the tab on there. So I definitely will be making great use of that. Okay, so let me open up the next item. Okay, so this is the planner system cards, and it says we have a set of 3. And I always love to receive the setup cards. Every year, every December, we do receive this. It's a great way to organize. Most of us, or a lot of us, do use multiple planners, and I do find this a great asset when you're setting up for the new year, because the majority of us do. Some of us get new planners and agendas and the folios. You know, you have your different inserts. Like I said, you have different planners that we utilize, and this is a great way to start off the year so you're just not having everything all over the place. Alright, so next we have the Adhesive Vellum pockets. I do remember seeing this on social media, and it does say, it says it's a set of 4. And this style here is something new that I've seen before, and I can always utilize adhesive pockets. So I'm definitely looking forward to using these in 2026. I definitely can find usage for this. So looking for it, and I can't wait to test it out, set up my planners to see, and if I like it a lot, I definitely will order additional vellum pockets. Alright, so this is a mindset card. So this is like a planner card, and it is cardstock. So I'm looking forward to using this. I might end up writing my word of the year on here. So have you thought about your word of the year for 2026? Let me know in the comments what your word of the year is. Mine is elevate. Alright, so this is the fold out. I absolutely love the fold out inserts. And this is a dated one. So I'm just thrilled to add this to my planner. And I know I'm going to need additional sizes for my planners because I'm going to have an A5 set up. So here's the dashboard set that we receive. Okay, and here's the declutter inserts. I'm excited about the declutter inserts. I definitely need these. So I'm definitely looking forward to utilizing these, and I'm not going to wait till 2026 to start using the declutter inserts. I remember when they had a collab with another company. What was it? It was dump, declutter, or donate. I remember that collection, and we got some planner cards for those, and I really did love that collab that they had with that. Alright, so we also got a cover. I didn't know about the cover. It says a closure cover and a dashboard set. This kind of reminds me of the Forma, and it's embossed. So I'm definitely gonna put this to use, and I'm gonna get a couple of my CP Petite notebooks and see which one I should add the cover or the inserts to, along with the dashboards. So far, what stands out to you than what we received in this box? Let me know in the chat. But yeah, so far I would say the declutter inserts, and of course the yearly fold out, as I mentioned, because I love that. Those two things stand out. But I can say I can utilize all the things so far. Everything that I definitely can utilize them and find great usage. And I love when I do get a subscription box that I can find some use for the items. So I'm happy about that. So I try to leave this cover here. I don't think I like the cover on the checkered. I didn't place the other cover on here, but I think I need to place the cover that came with the checkered dashboard. I think I need to go ahead and add that cover to this one. Or, hold up, I do have the studded dashboard. I added the studded dashboard to this Forma CP Petite system. Maybe I need to move this studded to the checkered, the lizard folio. I think I'm gonna add this here. Cause I did not add, I removed the folio that came with, the cover that came with the Forma C Petite. I ended up removing that. I did keep the back to hold it in into this transparent cover. But I do think this cover does look good with that. Now let me know your thoughts. What will you do? At least I do have a variety. I do need to end up adding and setting up my planners for 2026. I was waiting for this subscription and another subscription that I'm waiting on before I start doing a plan with me. I'm planning on doing a plan with me video or a planner setup here on YouTube of all of my planners, because I do have my inserts for 2026. Now I just need to set my systems up, and I am glad that we have the planner system card that came in this box, so I can jot that down as I plan out my various planners. Alright, so I'm excited to get started with this because I was doing it a couple of months ago. I had started going through all of my planning bins, decluttering, but I stopped because I had offered to give the products, and I have so much stuff. And to stop to go back through the items and to take pictures of all the things, it set me back tremendously because I was on a roll of getting rid of my planner items. But going back through them, trying to take pictures for people, because I was giving it, I wasn't going to sell those things, I was going to give them away, and I need to get back to it. Alright, so I think that looked good. Alright, so let's go ahead and get to the rest of the items that's in the box. Alright, so let's get to this 2026 yearly, no, this is the spiral desk calendar here. Now I have to figure out, I might end up gifting this because I don't have any usage. Now, maybe if I get a position, I might have some use for this, but right now I don't have a usage for this right here. So let me know in the comments if you already know how you want to use the 2026 spiral calendar. I am struggling trying to get this thing to stand up. If you have any tips of helping me to get this thing to stand up, let me know. But then also remember to let me know, what do you plan on using this for? Because that might help me figure out, maybe I can utilize that for this as well. I am struggling with this. I'm going to have to watch a video to see how you all get this to stand up. So I do remember seeing this envelope. It does have an insert inside of it, and it's a letter that you can write to your future self. I do remember seeing that, and I think this is a great idea for me to write something to myself and then be able to reflect on it later on. One thing I do miss not receiving the storage box we know we're receiving the December box, but I do recall last week I did see the storage box. It was nice too, and it would be available for us to purchase on their website. Not sure if that will be part of the end of the year sale, but guess we'll find out soon. And maybe I already told someone. If you know the deets on the storage box, let me know in the comments. Alright, so the last items are the pins in this box. Alright, so this pin here, trying to see if I see the name on them. I thought it was Uni. I'm not sure what it is. I can't see the small writing. But let's go ahead and use my pen test sticky notes. Oh no, I wrote that wrong. I wrote down the wrong name. Let me start over. Yeah, I wrote down the wrong thing on that. Alright, so let me write this again. It writes like one of them other pens that we got before. It's black ink, and I think it says 0.38 for the nibs. I think that's what it says on here. Correct me if I'm wrong, cause my eyesight is not all that good, and it's really small on here. But now it writes pretty good. It's comfortable. It has a nice, I don't know, I can't explain the texture at the bottom, but it has some type of grip at the bottom, because the bottom part is not as slippery as the top part. So I do like the grip that's on here, and I'm gonna rate that a 4. Alright, and so now let's get to the blue pen, and I did see this on social media, and I have pen tested these type of pens before. That's a Pentel pen. And let's go ahead and test this out. Alright, let me write the name. Well, it's not writing, so let's see if I can get this ink to flow. Well, overall, I don't like the pen. And I've tested it before in all the other different colors. I'm really not a fan of this particular pen here. But that's it, Bessie. Thank you so much for joining me today in today's unboxing. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Turn on your notification bell to all. Please like and engage with me in the comments. All right, Bessie. Ta-da!